This kit is compatible with 2019 to 2022 Honda Insight Hybrid. Hello everyone. Today we'll go over the step-by-step instructions to add an additional key using this ProKeyBox kit. You must have one working key to add any additional key. This kit is compatible with many Honda models. I will add compatibility list at the end of this video. This kit comes with the aftermarket key, the programmer tool, and the instruction manual. If you have your own unprogrammed key, you can purchase the programmer separately. This tool will work on original or aftermarket key. Today, we'll program the aftermarket key with the kit. Once you use this programmer tool, it will lock to your car VIN. This means you can reuse it many times in your vehicle, but you cannot use it in any other vehicle. So, to begin the process, you need to connect the tool to the OBD board. Once you connect it, take the new unprogrammed key out of the vehicle and only keep the programmed working key in the vehicle. Turn the ignition on, but do not start the car. From there, press button B and wait for the blue light. Then take the working key out of the vehicle and wait for the yellow light. Once the yellow is blinking, bring in the new unprogrammed key into the vehicle and wait for the red and blue lights to blink. Once the red and blue are blinking, turn the ignition off. Then turn it back on. We will repeat this 3 more times. At the 4th time, you will hear the tool long beep indicating the programming is successful, and now it's all done. Your key is ready to go. You can test your key by starting the vehicle. As you can see here, it's working. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.